This is a Series 7400 ESD Kraftform Torque Screwdriver from Wera. These models have a preset torque value and have adjustable torque ranges which can be changed by adjusting the setting nut under the cap at the end of the tool. When tightening a screw, a tactile and audible click is produced when the calibrated torque value has been met. This mechanical release prevents the operator from over-tightening past the calibrated value. For loosening screws, the torque limit doesn't apply, allowing you to loosen seized screws without an issue. The quick-release chuck on low-torque models can accept both 4mm half-moon and 4mm high-os drive bits. The other Series 7400 Kraftform screwdrivers with higher torque values use a 1/4-inch hex drive with locking chuck. Excellent ESD protection makes this tool ideal for sensitive electronics assembly, and the ergonomic grip comfortably fits a wide variety of hand sizes. Check out our selection of high-quality, high-precision torque screwdrivers from Wera on our website, flexibleassembly.com. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more product news and updates from Flexible Assembly.